basketball. Ipakita mo yung usay mo sa hardcourt. Come on everybody, show me some moves. Ito kalaro ng bawat Pilipino. Hey, come on everybody sa hardcourt. Come on everybody sa hardcourt. Come on everybody sa hardcourt. Come on everybody sa hardcourt.
Yo, what up? Ito nga po pala ulit ang inyong lingkod, Kalbong Bordado. Meron naman tayong sports balita regarding sa mga nangyari sa Gilas Juniors na nakatapat ng China Juniors. Ayun, hindi po maganda yung nangyari, natambakan po sila. So ito yung unting summary sa nangyari. Mula to sa content ni Idol iSports TV. Yun, subscribe kayo dyan kay Idol iSports TV kung gusto nyo mga ganitong klaseng content. Subscribe kayo, click nyo yung notification bell at syempre, click nyo rin yung notification bell at subscribe din kayo sa akin kung gusto nyo mga ganitong klaseng reviews. It's all about the sports, yeah? Game naman tayo hinihintay. Umpisa na natin yan. Ditira na natin ang tres.
Tambakan na naman mga katropa. Tinalo ng China ang mga Gilas boys with 28 points deficit. Before we start katropa, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Maybe this is the last time you see my videos if not subscribe. Sa rematch na naganap sa Doha, Qatar of the FIBA U16 Asian Championship 2023, China prevailed again to secure...
Ano yan? Under 16, U16. Ibig sabihin 16 pa ba? Nagilas pool. Versus 16 pa ba na China pool ng China, siyempre.
place and secured the bronze medal 87 to
Parang revanche ito Ano na to semis. Hindi semis. Ano na? Kumbaga battle for third and second na lang.
9 score. Ang depensa na China ang key factor in this game, lalo na during their 24-3 run spanning over 7 minutes from the end of the first half to early in the third quarter. China upsets the Gilas with 2 points field goals 54 to 31 points. 3 points field goals 42 to 32 points, 22 to 14 assists, 54 to 31 rebounds, 6 to 1 blocks, 13 to 7 steals, and Gilas had 18.
Hirap sila sa ilalim. Ang lalaki ng mga sentro. Ang lalaki talaga ng mga incheck no? Ang lalaki pero ang lalait ng balls.
Turnover. Ang offense ng Gilas had been locked in, with a shooting 42.3% from beyond the 3-point line for 11 3-pointers. Ang Gilas ay down by only 3 points in the second quarter after 2 consecutive 3-point shots made by Iris Chua, pero they cannot lead China and cannot offensively maintain their offensive rhythm. Joaquin Ludovice led the way for the Philippines with 15 points. Nag-stand out ang mga players ng China na sina Boy Yuanzhang and Sunan Won from start to finish. Tinapos ni Zhang ang game with his highest single game point total in this competition with 34 points on 12 to 17 shooting.
Oh, grabe
And also knocked down 7 3-point shots kung saan he tied the record for most 3-point shots made in a single game with the fewest attempts. Nakakuha ng momentum ang China towards the end of the first half, kung saan Wenwei broke down the defense and lobbed an alley-oop for one and established a 15-point lead at that point.
Laki nun, no?
China find their face on both ends of the floor. For more update, please don't forget to subscribe in my channel.
So, yun na nga. Tapos na. Yun. Masabi ko lang sa Gilas Pool na mga juniors, tuloy nyo lang yan. Parte yan ng pag-unlad. At yung mga talo nyo ngayon, yun yung magiging way nyo para sa future. Puro panalo ng paglalakbay nyo sa mundo ng basketball. Kumbaga experience, charge to experience lang yan. Bata pa kayo, malayo pa mararating nyo, tuloy nyo lang. Yun, maraming salamat nga po pala. Ito po muli ang inyong lingkod, Kalbong Bordado in the house. Ang reviewer na pogi. Salamat po.